Hello everyone. So you probably read the title if you're watching this. I'm gonna be making a game over the course of the next few streams. Before I start, let me just make sure that the stream is working. So I'm gonna go to YouTube on my phone. Just make sure the voice is working. Alright. My channel. Alright, yes, it's working. Alright, let's start. Let's just go ahead and go. So I already have a game set up. So, also wondering what kind of game we should make. I was thinking we can make a platformer, which would be nice. So yeah, let's go and just go into live. Hold on a second. So let's get rid of this. Actually, no, let's not get rid of that.
Why? You better put a new trash bag in.
1 second, my mom's here. I'll be right back.
Quiet. I saw a video from Mel's Night of Worship.
Alright, I'm back. So here, let's add a window capture. No. Yes. Alright, there we go. That's gonna work. Alright. Let's just. Alright, that seems good. Let's put my face above this. Alright. Now we can start. Alright, so. Oh, that yellow outline's kind of annoying. 1 second. 1 second, I want to try something real quick. Alright, yes, that's working. Alright. So let's start. For now, let's get a hitbox in here. Make it about this big. Actually, that's too small. That big. That's good. Let's just center it. Actually, wait, I'm gonna delete that. Let's try that again. Here. There we go. That's good. Okay. So let's just get some movement actually here. First, we're gonna need a level. So let's just increase this up to 10. Draw a line. Draw a platform. Yeah, that's good. Alright. Let's size this up a little bit. Okay. Let's go and get some stuff working. So we're gonna get a delete this. Also, if you notice my scratch looks different, it's because I have scratch add-ons. It's very useful. I recommend it. Has a bunch of different things you can change. But yeah, so let's get let's make it for this part only. Alright. YVal and XVal. This is the Y velocity and X velocity. Oops. Nope. Alright, there we go. Okay. That should work. Also, I'm gonna do something. I don't think you can see this, can you? No, you can't. Alright, I'm gonna do something real quick where I'm gonna add a. I'm going to add a live chat. So we're just going to. How do I do this again? I can't remember. out chat. There we go. Alright. Control C that. And then we can open a can't remember how. Oh, browser, I think it is. Okay. And then let's add this link. Is that gonna work? I don't. Oh, yes, it does. Okay. Let's just size it real quick. So this is just gonna show my live chat. Make it a little smaller. Actually, that's a little too small. Alright, there we go. I'm also gonna just copy this and paste it in here. Alright, there we go. That's working. Let's just close out this. Okay, now we can actually start. Alright, so let's just get some movement. So if I click forever, we're going to put, actually no. Actually, we'll do this later. So we're going to do change X velocity by minus, so we're not touching if key D pressed minus key A pressed. So this is basically a trick to, instead of having two separate inputs, we can just do it like this, and then I can put a multiplier to change the speed. So we can change this a little bit. For now, I'm just going to do 5. And we're going to make a block called move X, run it on screen refresh, and move Y. If you want to learn how to do all this stuff and explain it, I can make a tutorial series. But I'm basically doing it now, so this should work. No. Alright. So for move X, we'll use move Y later. So we're gonna repeat. Actually, wait, I need to edit these. Move X, X, and then edit move Y, Y, Y. So, yeah, we're gonna repeat X divided by the abs of X. So, basically, this is gonna say this is 5, because that's how fast you're moving. So if we're moving to the right, it'll be 5. So it's basically gonna have 5 divided by 5, so that's gonna be 1. So it's gonna repeat 1 time. Actually, no, wait. Actually, I'll do this in a second. So this goes in here. So it's gonna move 1 step. So it's gonna move, or change X by 1. So it'll move 1 step in that direction. But if this is -5, -5 divided by -5 is actually just 1. So -5, the abs of X. So even if this is -5, it's just going to be a normal 5. So -5 divided by abs of 5, so that would be 5. That would be -1, so it would move backwards 1 step. So yeah, we're going to do change X by this. And then we're going to do if touching sprite 2. Also going to rename these. So let's say hitbox and map. Alright. I'm also gonna say go to 0, 0. So touching map, change X by 0 minus 0 minus this. So that's gonna just be an inverted version. So also we're gonna do this real quick. So we're just going to copy and paste this over here. Alright, let's try this. Is this working? Oh wait, did I do something wrong? Wait. Oh, I know what I did wrong. Alright, X velocity, here we go. 1 second. Let's just try this real quick. Actually, wait, we can show X velocity. Oh, I know what I'm doing wrong. Okay. We can, oh yeah, another thing I did wrong. Set this to the abs of this. Alright, wait. Oh, wait. Oh, gosh. Okay. So x velocity 0. Okay, there we go. Alright. So x velocity to x velocity times, let's do 0.4. That's just going to make it slow down. There we go. See, it's working. Okay. Now we gotta add our, actually I want to make this a little faster. We're also gonna do, let's add a new speed. Oops. Speed variable. So times speed. First, we'll just set speed to 5 real quick. We're also gonna set the friction. Actually, no. We'll set it to. Yeah, I guess just friction. Even though it's little, it doesn't make very much sense, but it's okay. Friction to 0.4. We'll put. We can hide this. Put that in here. So basically, everything's gonna be normal. But if we set this friction to say 0.89, so now I like slip. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna keep it at 0.4 for now. Okay. What else am I gonna do next? Alright, so we gotta do our move y now. So we're gonna need a couple new variables. We're gonna need, actually, yeah, all we need for now is airtime. So we're gonna do move y. Alright, so we're gonna do a pretty similar thing. Replace all these with y though. Actually, no, get rid of this. We're gonna set y velocity to 0 and set what else was I gonna do? And set, yeah, airtime. Wait, no, yeah, okay. Set both of these to 0, and so yeah, we're going to touching the map and set both of these to 0. Actually, wait, how did I do this? I don't even remember. It's been a long time since I've done this. So we're gonna want it to move down, and if it touches the map, set this to change y. No, change y. Okay, so that's gonna repeat it however many times. Change y by the yes. Okay. And then if touching that, change it by, I don't know why I got rid of these. Actually, yeah, I should just duplicate it. So there we go. This should work. I'm not 100% sure on this. Okay. I'll change your time by 1. And then yeah, I think we did change airtime by 1, and then change y velocity by negative. Wait, we're gonna stop it real quick. By gravity. We're gonna do that. That's a new variable. We're gonna set the gravity to, let's just do 1 for now. We're gonna do 0 minus gravity. Alright, let's try this. That's not working. Alright, let's just edit this. Set it to run with screen first, right? Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to do that. So we're gonna set y velocity to 0. Alright, let's try that. Oh my goodness, what? Let me see this. Why is it? Oh, that's why. Oh, yuck. Okay. I don't know why I keep doing that. Put y in there. Let's try that again. We're gonna edit this and change it to run without screen first. Let's try that again. Alright, let's try this at like 50. Alright. So let's do another thing, so. Oh, so yeah, well, I'm gonna test something real quick. Airtime, let's show it. Okay, I might have to check on this, because it's been so long since I've done this. I'm gonna open up another thing, so, yeah, just give me a second, because I have a lot of top secret projects that you can't see. I just need to test on this real quick. Just go down to my platformer. Alright. Oh yeah, I forgot Matt to do that too. Great. Yeah, I got a lot to do. It's airtime. Okay, so we're just going to, I'm going to do some cheeky stuff. I'm going to backpack. Is that it? Wait, is that it right there? That might be it. That's going to be hilarious if it is. It is. Okay, I already have it in my backpack. Alright, so you can close this. Alright, so let's just bust out these. I'm not actually going to use these. I'm just going to kind of like edit the code a little bit and add it to mine. So this is actually from my other games. So let's clean up Lux Plus. Alright, let's go over to the other ones. So we're going to okay. So this is a little different, but touching level. Switch costume 2, touching level, set airtime. Okay. Yes, I do need to do that. Okay. I'm gonna remove these real quick, and then I'm gonna delete these. I'm just gonna write Y. Actually, I can't. Alright, it's fine. So all these blank will just be Y and X. So I just gotta get rid of all these real quick. I wish you could select multiple things at a time. That'd be useful. Yeah, but you gotta keep on grabbing all these. Alright. Just get rid of these. Alright. So, yes. So, you might be confused about the costumes. This is actually because you have to check for ceilings. You have to, and let me do that. You have to shrink it down to make sure it's not like when you, because sometimes if you don't do this, when it touches a ceiling, it'll just stick to the ceiling like a spider. I mean, you can use that sometimes, but you wouldn't really want to. So yes, that's why I need that. Set this to map. Alright, set all these to map. And, okay. Luckily this is already, like, named the same, so it's gonna make my job a lot easier. We can actually just go and test and see if this works real quick. Like, okay, so let's just put both of my code over here. Change X by. Oh gosh, okay. Oh yeah, I forgot. I just have to do the change YVL thing. Alright. Let's ignore this for now. Change YVL by gravity. We'll just set the gravity to -1. Alright. Is that working? Why is it? Okay. Is it touch map? I don't think so. Why is this not working? Oh yeah, also they do change airtime. Okay. No, never mind. What? Why is it doing this? It's being a pain in the butt right now. Is that I have to put it before? No. Oh, I'm an idiot. That's why. I have to put all these in. Okay. Now, do I put it before or after? I can't remember. Dude, it's been like so long since I've done this stuff. Not like super duper long, but still, it's been long. Alright, now I just gotta go through and do all this. Alright. Yeah. I have to study over this stuff because I'm a little rusty. Alright, so we're gonna do if key W pressed. We're going to set we're also gonna make a new variable. Call it jump power. At the beginning, we're gonna set jump power. Not gonna do that to say 10 for now. And we're gonna set that to jump power. Alright, and we're also gonna do if, just to give it some coyote time, we're gonna do if 4 is greater than airtime. We're gonna hide airtime too. So like now we just kind of like smack on the wall. I'm also actually gonna, let's set this to a little higher, like 12. Alright. That's a little too late. I set it to a little higher, like 10. I don't know, it's probably too high. So yeah, let's do like 5. I think that should be good. Not 54. Oh my goodness. That's a little too high. See, I guess we'll just stick to 4 right now. Let's hide these. Alright, yeah, it does work. So everything's feeling nice. Clip it around the edges. Okay. I think our movement's good for now. Let's just clean up these blocks. And I guess we don't really need these, so we'll just get rid of them. Let's drag this over here. So yeah, this is all working. So I'm not sure if anybody's watching. I'm gonna check it real quick. But if anybody is watching, I'm gonna create a poll. Alright. Is anybody watching? I don't think anybody. I think that's including me. Alright. So, but if anybody does watch it, so I'm not sure if we should do art or scrolling in other levels next. Alright. I think I'm gonna work on changing level. Actually, I'm not sure if we should do. Alright, yeah. You know what? I'm gonna save this all for like next time I stream, probably like next week. I'll decide if we need to scroll next, or if we're gonna do scrolling or like different screens. So I'm not sure what's gonna work best. But for now, I guess we can work on the art maybe. So yeah, let me try that. So let's just switch over to my intermission. And, yeah, I'm gonna pull up Pixel Edit. Let's just do a new document. Let's do, I guess we'll do 32 by 32. And we'll do like 8 by 8. Alright, let's do this. Let's go ahead and let's game ahead of this. Can I do? Yes, I can. Okay. Where is it? I don't know why it's not popping up. Alright, well, I guess we can do that later. I guess I'll do it on window capture for now. There we go. Okay. Let's get going. Alright. So I'm not sure what the theme of the game should be either. I don't know why, but I had an idea just randomly popped in my head, just like some sort of food, like a burger or something. Not sure I want to do that though. I guess we really should like think more about the game before we do the art first, huh? Yeah, I don't know. I might just end the stream now, and then we can work on this some other game. I mean, some other time. You know what? For now, I'm just going to... Actually, I'll go and save this as a new thing. Let's make it a stream game. Alright. Let's close this. Alright, for now, we're going to work more on the game itself. So, I'm going to work on adding, different levels, like in different screens that you can explore. So, the way I'm going to do this, actually, is... I'm going to add 2 things on the very edge of the screen. So, like, yeah, like, right, and then we can center them. So they'll be the same distance on both sides. We'll color them like red so they're easier to see for now. So there we go. Make them go, are they in 0, 0? Wait. Let's Control C. Alright, there we go. So, basically, actually I'll make them a little farther apart. So, if I touch either of these borders, it's going to detect that and then put me in the next level. So, this is going to be X detect. And then I'm going to do another one, call it Y detect. And I'm going to rotate it, hold shift so it's nice and crispy. And I'm going to center it and then spread it apart. And we can also make it longer on this axis. Okay. Make this also go to 0, 0. Alright, so see, we have a nice frame, and I haven't coded it yet, but basically, these are going to detect whatever, whenever we touch one of the borders. So, yeah, let's start this. So first, we're actually going to name these costumes. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to have 0, I'm going to name these by their, like, coordinates on the whole map. So, basically, if I touch the one on the right, so look, we'll have X and Y. So, I'll have 2 variables, and I'm going to have a thing where it's like, let's do screen Y and screen X. So basically, I'm going to have a thing where forever switch costume to, we're going to get both of those out and get 2 joins. Alright, join screen X, screen Y, and a comma. So as you can see, 0, 0. So if I were to, let's make another costume, I guess. Alright, so look, if I were to do this, see, it's going to switch to that costume instead of this one. So look, let's just delete some random things, make it a little different, you know, kind of silly. Alright. So you can see it works. If we were to change, screen Y to 2, it'd be that. Alright, but we're not going to do that because that's going to be really buggy right now. Alright. But yeah, you get the gist, hopefully. If not, that sucks. So, let's go ahead and get this to work. We're going to add this. We're going to do forever if touching touching hitbox. I add an if else statement. If we're gonna do, where is it? Here. A hitbox. X position, that's perfect. So X position of hitbox, if it's greater than 0, which means it's on this side, it's going to change screen X by 1. And if it's on the other side, well, if it's less than 0, that means, yeah, it's going to be on the other side by -1. So we're going to try this real quick. So I'm going to have, let's add a new map. Also, I want to do a little something. We're going to broadcast next screen. Alright. So basically, this is going to broadcast next screen, and this is going to, I'm going to post some nice little code in here. So whenever, I'm going to stop this real quick. So whenever a next screen happens, I'm going to make it go to, actually I'm going to rename this real quick. Next, how do I do it? I don't even remember. Alright, next screen, X, make another one, next screen, Y. Sorry if I'm bumping the mic and it gets loud. So we're going to get rid of these real quick. Set X and set Y. So we're going to times 0. We're going to do 0 minus. And then we're going to put the X position. Right. So we're going to replace this with Y for that one. So yeah, we're also going to have to make another some test maps. But for now, I'll just try this real quick. Let me check this real quick. Oh yeah, I forgot I had to add this in there too. I'll change this to screen Y. Next screen Y. And then we'll do the Y position. Alright, let's try that. Alright, yes, that worked. See if it works with these ones too. So we're going to, there's not even a way to get down there, so I'm not even going to try that. But actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to just write it down here. So what I'm going to do, 0, I'm going to scoot my mic over because I keep bumping it. 0, 0. Make this pretty big. Duplicate this. 0, 1. Duplicate this. And we'll call it 0, actually no, we're going to do 1, 0. And then we're going to do one more and call this -1, 0. Alright, let's try this. So that little number is going to tell us what screen it's on. So that goes up by 1. That's nice. Don't know what happened there. Wait, what? Oh, it's because I went up. Okay. So yes, that's on that screen. On that screen. That's on that screen. That's all working. Pretty good. So we're also going to add a couple more just to test. And then we'll actually start doing some other things. So we're going to do -1. Okay. I have to go after this because we have to go to a play practice thing. Oops, wait. Great. Duplicate this. -1, 1. Actually, wait, I can't even do that. So yeah, it's a waste. And we'll change this to 1, -1. And this is just 1, 1. Alright. Let's try this one more time. Do that. Go up. That's nice. Okay. Come over here. Go up. Oh, wait. Did I do something wrong? Wait. I think I did something wrong. Wait. So screen X. We're on our screen Y to go up. So yeah, I did something wrong. That's right. Want this to be -1, 1. Alright, yes, that's working. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to go and end the stream now because I gotta go. But, thanks for watching. Wait, oh no. Okay, that was close. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you see the next time I stream. And come watch it.